Hi there, I'm Ernie, and you're watching Monkeys with a Passport. This week we're in Vancouver, British Columbia. We've got 5 days to settle in and take a look around and visit all the wonderful places and points of interest that Vancouver has to offer. Come along with us because we know the best places. Why? Because we've lived here already. This is home.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Say you wanna come over tonight. Yeah, you wanna make up and make it right. When everybody's looking for something else they can do, we try to make it work this time. We had let go of our doubts. Let's make it matter, cause we will never ever come down. It looks like we made it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. darkness into light. When everything we have done comes around, comes undone, we try to make it right this time. We just gotta make up our minds. Let's make it matter, 'cause we will never ever slow down. This time we will make it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. You better believe it.
So it was quite hot outside, so we decided to duck into a restaurant. We picked Earl's. Earl's is a nice little franchise chain, I think, in Canada. We do see them across Canada, different places. It's pretty good. So it's like we stopped in. Hopefully we'll get a nice cold beer and a nice hot meal and enjoy ourselves. Cheers. All right, so our drinks have arrived, and well, I'm dying to try my Guinness. I haven't had this in quite a while. Cheers. That is just creamy. I miss this beer. Our food has arrived. I ordered the filet mignon with a little mashed potatoes, some asparagus. I needed some greens, you know, and some yam fries to share. It's got a little chipotle mayo. I'm gonna give this a shot. It looks really good, and I am hungry. You know what? It's been so long since I've had mashed potatoes. You know, you give up the carbs and all that freaking stuff. This is awesome. All right. It's a little steak though. I was hoping for a bigger steak, but hey, hopefully it's well cooked. Dunk it into my pepper sauce. You know, steak is just wonderful. Makes you feel like home.
All right, so I am so excited for this. I ordered the ahi tuna poke bowl. I remember poke bowls from Vancouver from the first time we were here, and I could not resist having it again. So let's dig in, and we are going to try with the chopsticks.
What do we have in it?
And we'll see. So there's some ahi tuna, radishes, cucumbers, mango, and avocado, all under, I believe it's jasmine rice, but there's also the puffed rice for a little crunch. Gosh. Nice ahi tuna. That is good. Enjoy.
I'm here